I got a big fat warning out there for all you people that are gold bugs or silver bugs or precious metal bugs. You are watching these lines of gold going up and investing in it because you think that's what's going to protect you when all the bad stuff goes down. Well, I'm going to give you the benefit of some experiences that I've had recently and a couple months ago to warn you about where your money may or may not be. Here's the deal. Months ago, in a time when the markets were totally stable and fine, had this woman that had a big amount of money sitting in funds. And this was a reputable gold company. You've seen them advertising all over, blah, blah, blah. And she goes to get that money out. And then lo and behold, it literally goes down by $100,000 when she had to convert it to cash to do some things. And I spent months trying to figure out why did it go down $100,000? And the answer is buried in the paperwork that no one's paying attention to, I'm convinced. In that paperwork, there are all of this fine print that talks about processing fees, storage fees, handling fees, and all kinds of other gobbledygook. But the bottom line is this. Even though she'd gotten those statements that showed that it was up, $600,000, big amounts of money, when it came time to redeem that amount, boom, $100,000 less. And I'm using kind of arbitrary numbers, but the reality is this massive number that was deducted off what she thought she had. Second experience just recently, and this is what really caught my attention. So I got a woman that needs money, and she has money invested in gold. And again, one of these circumstances where she's got the paperwork, it's black and white, that number's right there, and reputable, well-known. She thinks she knows what's there. She has been trying over and over and over again to convert what she sees in that piece of paper into money in her hands because she needs that money in her hands. And this woman has been running into brick wall after brick wall trying to convert that money that she says is hers, that she says is being held in gold, into real money that she could use. Here is a test for you people. If you have money invested in gold, and hell, let's just say anywhere, but let's say if you got money invested in any of these paper gold things, run yourself a little test. Go ahead and try and convert some of that into actual cash. Try and take what you see that's written on a paper statement that says you have X invested and tell them you want that money in your account. I want to hear from people when you run that test, whether it works or not and what your experience is. And I promise you, it will open your eyes. But please leave your comments and likes down there when you do this and tell us what kind of experience you have.